Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Today I want to show you guys a way to find out how good your phone is compared to other phones on the market. And basically, it's an app that you need to download called AnTuTu Benchmark. So you're going to download this app and then you're going to run a test on your phone. So just click test once you're in the program, and it'll go through a series of tests for about a minute, and then it'll tell you how good your phone is. And so you can see here I've got Samsung Galaxy S3, and if you click on performance, it tells you how good your phone is compared to other phones, general performance, game performance, battery performance, and so on. And then if you go back, you can also go to the rankings by sliding to the right. And once you're in the rankings, you can see how your phone compares with all the other phones on the market. So for example, if you want to compare your Galaxy S3 to HTC One, you can just click compare, and you can see that your device has a total score of 17572, while the HTC One has 35,000, which is pretty much twice as good. But then you can scroll down and see all the different categories with different scores, and you can see that Galaxy S3 has a higher RAM operation, whereas everything else HTC One has a higher score for. And then if you scroll to the right again, you can see the device info, so you can see everything about your phone, including the resolution, the camera, the storage, everything you need to know. Okay, thanks for watching guys, see you next time.